Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim held detailed talks in Kuala Lumpur as part of India-Malaysia bilateral engagements. A central theme of the discussion was terrorism and global security. Narendra Modi said, terrorism remains one of the most serious threats to international peace and stability. He stated that there must be zero tolerance towards terrorism and added that countries should avoid double standards when dealing with terror groups and their supporters. India's position, as outlined during the talks, is that terrorism cannot be separated from geopolitics and must be addressed through clear, consistent, and collective action at the international level. The issue was discussed in the context of regional and global security, including challenges in the Indo-Pacific region. Malaysia acknowledged the shared concerns and agreed on the importance of strong coordination in counter-terrorism efforts. Both sides noted that cooperation between security agencies is essential to respond to evolving threats. The leaders discussed steps to deepen collaboration in intelligence sharing, law enforcement coordination, and counter-terrorism capacity building. Maritime security was also part of the conversation, given the importance of safe sea lanes in the region. Both countries agreed to continue cooperation to ensure stability and prevent security threats in surrounding waters. Defense ties were reviewed alongside security issues. Discussions included continued engagement between defense institutions and cooperation in areas such as training, maintenance support, and exchanges. Beyond security, the leaders reviewed the broader framework of their relationship under the Comprehensive Strategic Partnership, which guides cooperation across multiple sectors. Several agreements and memoranda of understandings were exchanged during the visit. These covered areas including national security, disaster management, labor and employment, healthcare, digital technology, semiconductors, audiovisual cooperation, and vocational education training. On the economic side, both countries discussed ways to expand bilateral trade and investment. India and Malaysia currently having trade worth over 18 billion US dollars, and both sides expressed interest in expanding cooperation into new sectors. The leaders also discussed the planned rollout of India's Unified Payments Interface or UPI in Malaysia, which is expected to facilitate smoother digital transactions between businesses and individuals. Technology cooperation featured in the talks with emphasis on semiconductors, digital infrastructure, and the work of Malaysia-India Digital Council, which aims to support collaboration in future-oriented technologies. Cultural and people-to-people ties were also noted, including the long presence of the Indian community in Malaysia and historical connections between the two societies. Despite the wide range of topics discussed, security and terrorism remained a key focus throughout the engagement. Both sides underlined that addressing terrorism requires shared responsibility, strong international coordination, and sustained cooperation between partner countries. The talks concluded with an understanding that counter-terrorism and security cooperation will remain a priority area in India-Malaysia relations moving forward.